Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a 1.5 push-up. It's a very difficult exercise, and that video is coming up right now. So, the 1.5 push-up. This, I think, is probably the most difficult push-up exercise there is. I've got a mat, but actually you're not going to need a mat. I often find those mats aren't wide enough for your hands because you always end up on the ridges, and then if you come in too narrow, that affects the form of the push-up. But equally, it's too soft, so you can't get enough press out of the floor. So we're going to use the bare floor, okay? Now it's very simple. It's a push-up with half a rep in the middle of it. So you come down, up halfway, down, all the way up. And it looks a little bit like this. Oh, let's hope I can do it. Like so. Now, all the same rules apply with the push-up. You want your elbows to come into this position. You want to create that 45-degree angle in the armpit. You want your shoulder blades to rotate as you come down on both the full rep and the half rep. As you do it, you want to spread your fingers so you can really grip and press into the floor to get the most feedback from the floor in order to push yourself back up and away. You also want to squeeze your glutes, keep your core switched on to make it as easy as possible for you, because it really isn't a terribly easy exercise. Squeezing my glutes, hands are spread, chin is down, core is on. 1, 2, I think we'll keep it there. Yes, so hopefully you've got the concept of that now. It's just a push-up with 1.5 in, and away you go. I often get clients who find these difficult to do it at an incline, and all the same rules again apply as I go through on the incline push-up tutorial elsewhere on this channel. So if you want to do these 1.5 reps at an incline, do that. Watch the 1.5 incline video I've got, sorry, not 1.5 incline, the incline push-up tutorial video I've got, and that will talk you through how to make that a real success. Then just add in the half rep, and away you go. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for being here. Speak to you again soon. Ciao, ciao.